Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to remove any image background in seconds and put a new one instead. No Photoshop, no fancy tools, super easy. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like and drop a comment as well. Let's jump right in. Go to the Remove.bg website. Click on the Upload Image button and select the image you want to remove the background from. Wait for it to upload and automatically remove the background. Now, pick a new background from here or upload one from your PC by clicking this button. As you can see, the background has been changed easily. You can download the result by clicking on Download button and click on Preview. To download image with best quality, you have to paid subscription, but Preview is free. Now, let me show you 3 similar websites. If Remove.bg doesn't work for any reason, you can use this. Slazer.com, Photor.com, PixArt.com. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.